Hey my friend, today I'm going to be making zucchini fries in the air fryer. Let's do it! Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things, so come and join me. I've already washed and diced my zucchinis. I've got my egg mixture and my seasoning put together. I will leave the recipe down below, so don't worry trying to figure out what's in this. So we are going to put our zucchini fries in the egg mixture, a few at a time. Get those good and wet. Now we're going to put them in the bread mixture. It has Parmesan, fresh Parmesan cheese in it, poppy seeds, and some yummy stuff. Going to cook the first batch, spray them with olive oil cooking spray. Put it on 400 for 7 minutes. Let it do its thing. It's been cooking for 3 minutes, so I'm going to toss the fries a little bit and spray them with a little more cooking spray. The air fryer's turned off, so it's time to check our fries. Oh, look at that yummy goodness. I will tell you that the thinner the fries are, the crispier they're going to be, so you're gonna wanna do that. I do have the Parmesan cheese on these, so if you're dairy-free, they're just as good without the cheese. Well, maybe not just as good, but they are very good without the cheese too, so no worries there. Shall we do a taste test? Yum! Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.